So, as you guys see from the title of the video, we are going to be reviewing this live rosin strawberry cough again. I think this one is like my favorite out of every other one. I'm not gonna lie. The camera will focus. It's not really fucking focusing. I don't know why. But this is the best legal THCA cart that you can get your hands on. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it with y'all. This is what the back looks like as well. I'm gonna read the percentages before I unbox it. The back says strawberry cough 2000 milligram, total I can barely even read it. I'm gonna get a camera so I could like read the back of it better. I'm gonna just zoom into it, the back, and read it for you guys. Total HDC 7.62 milligrams. The date is 09/2024. Best by 09/2026. 3 milligrams per serving. HPLC can. It's like a serial number. Total THCA 68.93%. And it says Habit Costa Mesa CA. And then as your obvious, the government warning, this product contains a total delta 9 tetrahydrocannabinol concentration that does not exceed like 0.3 on a dry weight basis of like delta 9. So yeah, that's basically like the fucking government warning. You already know, they always have them. The ingredients is hemp extracts and terpenes. Don't really give you much like you know what I'm saying? Don't let you know what's in this much. They obviously got their little not verification, but their little QR thing. So you could QR the thing. I'm not sure what the QR code does. I've never really did it before. This is what the cart's looking like inside the package. They do come sealed every time. You're not gonna get one of these unsealed at all. They come sealed every fucking time. And if you're getting them unsealed, don't buy them. It just takes you to their website. Certificates of analysis. Yeah, it just takes you to their website. So, like I said, these come sealed. If you're not getting these sealed, do not get these. Do not fucking, you know what I'm saying? Look, there's not even a way to rip it open. What I do is I just take my teeth, I make a slit in the side, and I just rip off the top. And that's what it looks like off rip. It smells exactly like weed as soon as it comes out the package. Literally, it smells exactly like some weed. Holy crap. Check that out, man. Check this out. just so y'all know, like how many I've actually bought of these. Give me a minute. I bought 4 of them so far, and I'll let you know each flavor. This one was the strawberry one that I had last time. It was super fucking good. It's the same thing, literally. The same one. Besides, this one is new. And then Sunday Driver. I had papaya. And then I had this Candy Jack. The only difference between this Candy Jack and them other 3 that I just showed you is this is live resin and them were live rosin. But I'd say it's pretty damn good. I think the live rosin definitely hits harder though. Like every time you look at this packaging on the live rosin one, solventless extract, potent as fuck. I love them. I love this brand for sure. Let's go ahead and put this packaging back in this little container. Let's get right into it. So, it has a little mouthpiece at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and just rip that off. Boom. You know what I'm saying? And then it has not been powered on yet, so it does have to be powered on. Let's take the first rip. Off of like a smell test, it smells exactly like strawberry. Through the mouthpiece, it smells exactly like strawberry. But yeah, let's get into this rip. First rip, I want to say it tastes exactly like strawberry, but like it's really like it tastes exactly like weed with a hint of strawberries. And I love that. I love the taste of that. I'm immediately fried. I don't gotta really take another rip, but I will here in a minute just to get more of a better review on this. I want to also take a little sip. Have some Sprite. I tell you what, these out of every other card brand, you're going to be surprised every time. You're going to be happy every time. I'm telling you, there's nothing that can compare to these, bro. There is like damn near nothing that can compare to these. I do think like a lot of times with all this like THCA shit, they get caught up in just like making terrible products. That's why I'm so happy with the brands that I consume and I'm able to put you on to, because if you're not looking for the right brands, if you're not just giving a fuck, you're going to get shitty product. I'm telling you right now, you're not gonna get what you're really wanting. You're not gonna get like, I don't know how to explain it. You're not gonna get this. You're not gonna get no live rosin. You're not gonna get faded. You gotta really look and you gotta stay tapped in. I'm telling you right now, there's not many people who are gonna put you on to like what the hell they're smoking. They're gonna gatekeep that shit. So that's why I put you on to what the fuck I'm smoking. Cause I'm not no gatekeeper. I'm gonna let y'all know what the fuck is good. And they're like I said, there's so many other brands out there that like just do this lame ass shit where they just like they literally only use distillate in the spectrum, the full spectrum shit, where there's just like They act like that sounds good. That's not good. I'm letting you know that right now. That's like everything like within weed. That could be fucking like HHC. That could be CBDG. That could be a whole bunch of shit inside your cart whenever it comes to full spectrum. That's why I never get full spectrum. I like having live rosin. Live rosin is super good. It's super, telling you, it's the healthiest way to smoke. I do appreciate you guys for viewing the. Let me run that back one more time. I appreciate you guys for viewing this video. Out of 10, I'm gonna have to go ahead and rate it like a 9.5. I'd say this one is my favorite. If you guys want to go check them out, you know what I'm saying? Go to your local CBD shop, see if they got them. If not, then you know what I'm saying, you're gonna have to look around. You're gonna have to find somewhere that does have them. But or call some places. Calling places is the best way to do it. Don't show up to all these places. Just call them. See if they got it. If they don't got it, you know what I'm saying, move on. Find the next place. But I'm telling you, somewhere inside of your state, they will have these. So, I do appreciate you guys for viewing. I love you guys. Thank you. Hope you have a good one. View some of my next videos. Also, check out my music. It's on all platforms at Alexander. Like I said, I appreciate you for watching. I love you guys. Peace.